Right, I'm ready.
Roger.
Right, so if you saw the repair on this, there was some dry joints and various messing abouts and ridiculously high deviation. Duff speaker.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. Got you passing the house.
Roger.
So these were
Tone control.
Yes, Roger. There is.
Roger that. Now we're just going down the lane, passing the nice green field and Woody's lay-by. Over.
Roger on that. Excellent. Done.
Roger. Right, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station, and it's 143.9 and 145.9.
Right on that, with 5 minutes early, they're still open.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
So, wedding display is the organ for next Saturday at Wilsford. Country Corner Wedding.
Very good. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Well, I like what you're going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that. Got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Cybernet Beta 3000. One of the flagship radios from 1981. Using the Cybernet 1 broadcasting. Doing a 441 handle.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger. Wilsford level crossing.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, the camera's gone off for some reason.
Ah, right. Well, that's where it ends then.
Well, I'm still doing the 5 mile point, can't I? See if the camera will restart.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll carry on with my bit. Well, we'll go over to how we used to do it.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this side.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Cybernet Beta 3000, doing full 4 watts, or 1.26 amps. We'll go with the low power right now. It's set to 400 milliwatts. If I can find the sign and switch to the back of the bed. Here we are back on.
Yeah, roger that, all received on full power, but again, pretty much nothing at low power.
I don't think till the leaves come off the trees, I think low power's not going to be any good, but we'll carry on doing it, you never know. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that, will do.
So at this point, we've lost the battery live on the camera, which is...
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the move. So the camera, which is normally doing maps and GPS and his view and all that kind of stuff, the battery's run out, and it's entirely my fault because I only put it on for 10 minutes charge. It needs more than that. So we'll just go over to how we used to do it from this end.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me? At that end, please, over.
Yep. Same as usual, I think, from 43.7 and 45.9.
Excellent. Well, that would work very well. So that's where the test ends.
Yep, let's do that.
10:10. Okay, so apart from my camera charging malarkey, we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station. Remember, we're on channel 29, and I'll tell you what, we'll turn to 31 and just turn the squelch right up, see how it works. So on a standard replacement microphone, I will just go on to low power. I'll also press the clear button, which changes the way the speech processing is done.
Tango 21, testing the Cybernet Beta 3000, it's our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll go over to low power, just for hum checks. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on 400 milliwatts, and back on to 4 watts. And now we'll just check the clear normal speech processor setting into clear, which most people find annoying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the clear position, and then back to standard. So that's it, thanks for watching. Tomorrow we've got an Albrecht set from about 2014. Splittable front, very expensive set, I think it was £229. I bought it off eBay for about £35 and we'll be sorting that one out. And then the day after that we've got a brand new latest version of the Thunderbolt T800, so that'll be interesting.